Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This time we will go and have a look at the set data type in Python. This set are exactly the same that you have studied in mathematics and algebra, right? Set theory, A union B, A intersection B, and on so on. So let us directly delve into the example. The initial lines are just import OS and clearing the output screen for Mac and Ubuntu users. I hope by now you get to know this command. So how do you define a set, right? Exactly the same way you defined in mathematics, right? My set is equal to using the curly parenthesis. So I hope you remember the properties of set, right? Set does not allow the use of elements which are duplicate. So technically this is an invalid set in algebra, right? But now let us just print the value of my set, right? So my set has many duplicates, 1, 1, and you can see there are 3 copies of 3. Okay. And let us exit at this point. So exit will make an unconditional exit at this point and it won't execute after line 11. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how did this magic happen, right? So Python stores set in its own internal data structure. So by chance it is coming sorted, but there is no logic behind it. It could have been an unordered also, right? Basically set is an unordered collection of items. Every set item is unique, right? This is important. It's a unique and must be immutable, that cannot be changed. We will see more of this later. So for example, any given set of numbers, and if you want to erase the duplicates, just make it a set and your work is done. Set also supports multiple data types similar to lists like one, hello. Have a look at this one. So you can even have a tuple as a part of set, but you cannot have lists as a part of set, right? Because all elements must be immutable, right? So now let us try to exit and print the output. So you can see the set this. My set is 1, hello, and 1, 2, 3. But if I just change the last pair 1, 2, 3 to the list from being a tuple is round brackets, this is this, it won't allow. It will give an error. Unhashable type list. Now why did it give an error? See, list tuples are immutable, right? You cannot change a tuple. So it had no issues when it dealt with a tuple, but list can be changed. I can change this list. So these are mutable objects, so not allowed to use with a list. Going further, you cannot index any element of a set. So I cannot say this is index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3. Why? Simply for two reasons. Because Python interpreter stores the set objects in its own hashable form. Second, set do not allow duplicate elements, right? So for example, when I encounter a 3 year, I have a 3 year, I have a 3 year. So internally Python is storing only one copy in the entire set. So you cannot index it, which 3 it will be, the one or this or this. So see, the moment I uncomment this, I am getting an error. Value my set is unscriptable, right? You cannot script, you cannot index set data type. Of course, you can add to set. So I can add an element 99. So now let us, you can add a single element using the add function or add method. Or if you want to add multiple items, you can use the update method. Just let us check the output, what it comes. So you have 1, hello, and 1, 2, 3 was your original. When you added 99, see, 99 is added here after 1. No logic behind it. The Python interpreter itself handles it. And now I hope you can understand why there is no indexing or subscription support in this, right? Because 99 technically in list would have been at the last position, but here it is at this position. Then we are adding 66, 77, 88. See, overall it's a tuple, right? You may say that, okay, this is a list, but it's a tuple eventually. So you can see 66, 99, and 77. These are just the elements of the list. They are not stored in the list form. They are just stored in the element form. Now, how do you discard or delete elements from a set? You can just use the discard function. Discard 77. So you can see between these set and this set, there is no 77 because you discarded 77. And now over to our favorite algebra methods. We have A and B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have a set B, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have kept everything in unique in both the set. So we had A union B. So union is like a OR operation. For OR we use this pipe operator. So what will be A or B? So elements which are either in A or in B but not duplicates. So one, you can write the whole set of A as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 is already there, 5 is already there, 6, 7, 8. So the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Intersection which are common to both. It's just like an AND loop, like a AND logic gate, right? When both are 1, the output is 1. So only 4 and 5 are present if you see in these both set. So the output is 4 and 5. Symmetric difference, elements in A but should not be present in B. So that again is 4 and 5. These are present in B. So the output will be 1, 2 and 3. So whenever you have the symmetric difference, you can just write the entire set of A, the left hand side, A you can write all together and just erase those elements which are in B. So in B, what are the common elements? 4 and 5, just remove them. Finally, we have a symmetric difference. Symmetric difference is interesting. Symmetric difference of A and B is set of elements in A and B, but not both. So basically what you do is take the intersection of A and B. What is the intersection here? Intersection is 4 and 5. So symmetric difference is write both the set and subtract the intersection. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Finally, a small program here. I have a list here with so many duplicate items 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Let us even keep some more elements 2, 2, 1. So if I ask you to remove the duplicate elements of a list, what I can do, I can just convert this list into a set, right? This list name can be anything, right? So list can be list 222, list 222. I convert this into a set and store in temp and finally display the value of temp. Just check it out. Okay, some comma issue. Okay, sorry. This is a comma here. See, eventually my temp is 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is a set. Right, so this is the fastest way of removing duplicate elements from a list, right? That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.